In this lesson, we will install VMware Workstation Pro. In the previous section, we installed VMware ESXi Hypervisor. We install ESXi Hypervisor directly on the server. In VMware Workstation Pro, we are installing on an operating system. It can be Mac or Windows. We install VMware virtualization software on these operating systems and set up our virtual machines on this software. On Windows we use Workstation Pro software. On Macs we use VMware Fusion. Since we will install on Windows in this lesson, we will download the VMware Workstation Pro software and install it on Windows. Let's come to the download section here and click on the Workstation Pro tab from here. We will download the VMware Workstation Pro 16 Windows version from here. I click Go to download. Let's start the download by saying download now from here. I'm not downloading it again because I downloaded it before. You download it to your computer and we install it together. Now I start the installation by opening the file from where I downloaded it. I downloaded the program under the download folder. Now I start the installation of the program by double-clicking. Let's continue by saying yes. Let's continue by clicking Next. Let's accept the license agreement here and click Next. Let's continue by doing Next. It will create a shortcut to the desktop and Start menu. Let's continue. Clicking Install to start the installation. Now our installation is finished. Click here to enter the license. You can search and find license keys from Google. Now let's open a web browser and search it from Google. I'm calling by typing VMware Workstation 16 key. Let's get the keys from one of the pages here and use them. I am copying this key. And I'm pasting it here. Let's finish after entering your license. Let's get out of here and open our program. We have now installed the VMware Workstation 16 Pro virtualization software on Windows. From here, you can create virtual machines by saying Create Virtual Machine. In this lesson, we installed VMware Workstation Pro. That's all for now in this lesson. See you in our next lesson. Bye.